Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an unboxing of Razer Seirin Mini microphone condenser. And after this video, I will be showing you the performance or the audio of this microphone. I always make videos like this for those who want to buy this device or planning to buy this kind of microphone condenser. And if you are new in this channel, I would like to ask you to click subscribe and click the notification bell below for more videos like this. So now let's start the unboxing. So this is the back and this is the sealed. We're going to cut this now. Actually, I'm using the sound already of this mic. I just mute the original sound of this video and I'm using this Seirin Mini for the recording of the sound, and as you can hear, the sound is really good. And if you compare this to the sound of my microphone from the headset, the performance of this microphone is really good compared to the headphone microphone, which is I have is the Asus H3. Now I will let you hear the sounds or the microphone performance from my headphone, and you will check the difference of this condenser microphone. So this is the sound of my Asus H3 headset, and as you can hear, the sounds is different and the noise cancellation is not better compared to this Razer Seirin Mini microphone. So now we will continue our unboxing, and as you can see, here's the cable wire for the microphone, and it's actually long. It's almost a meter and a half. It's actually a meter and a half. And here's the base, and it is the actual microphone. So the quality of the microphone is actually really good compared to those who are cheap microphone you can buy. Actually, the price of this is very affordable compared to those other condenser microphone. So you just have to install this, and then connect it to the base. So that's it. The steps are very easy. So there you go. Then we will connect now the cable wire. So this is an USB type and a micro USB. So the micro USB is here, and you just have to press it here or plug it here. So I just need to remove it since it's actually hard to plug it with the stand. And now we're done setting up the microphone. All we have to do is to plug it in the back of the computer. And now I'll be showing you how to set up this microphone in the OBS recording. So you have here the OBS, then you need to click this plus button from the sources. Just click this and audio input source. So as you can see, I already have the Seirin Mini here, but for you, just click the create new and click the default and find your microphone Razer Seirin, and that's it. And then rename the source, right click and rename. So you can hear the sound from this microphone, and I think it is good. So I will show you how to set up also in the Adobe Premiere Pro. We just to move the, so here in Adobe Premiere Pro, all you need to do is to click this mic and right click this, and you will see the voiceover recording, and you will see here the source and input, which is I have this other microphone device or audio recording device, and I have there the microphone Razer Mini 2. So that's how you set up here. Please do comment down below if this video was able to help you, and if you have any suggestion you can also put in the comment section. So that's all for today, and if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.